Thank you, sir. Very nice to have you here, and hello to everybody out there in internet land. I can see a couple people are trying to watch this. This is going to be a quick sound check here for a show coming up next Wednesday, November 4th, the night after the big night in America here anyway. We're going to have a very special evening with somebody from away who will not be perhaps tainted or in utter despair or agony or in too much ecstasy to have a good night that night. So we picked wisely chose an act from Ireland. We're very happy to present Mr. Caoimhín O Fearghail. I'm not gonna try and say it the Irish way because I'll just mess it up, my Italian lips. But Caoimhín is coming to us from Ring in County Waterford, Ireland. Is a wonderful piper, a young guy, but you wouldn't know it from the piping. And has already made his way across the piping world and made a mark there. Toured in America with some of our good friends from Portland as well, in fact, and that's how we came to know him, how I came to know him at first, other than through the regular piping channels, of course. How are you, Caoimhín? I'm very happy to have you join the Irish Night of Blues series.
Thanks very much. Great to be involved anyway. Thanks a million.
Great. So I think we're going to hear next week pipes and some flute and whatever else you have in mind. Some interpretive dance, maybe, a few jokes.
Yeah.
Okay, well, whatever. We're going to have a little pipes and we're going to have some other stuff too, maybe some flute and whatnot. All the way live from County Kerry. I'm so used to saying Kerry because we've had two acts from Kerry. From County Waterford, sorry. I don't mean to piss anybody off. Not that you would, but... and the show's going to be at 6 p.m. Eastern Time for us here in Maine. That's going to be 11 p.m. in Ireland if the daylight savings change this weekend falls the way I think it's going to fall. It's always so hard to figure out. But yeah, it should be 11 p.m. in Ireland and 6 p.m. here. So tune in live. You can watch it later as well if you don't get to tune in live. Otherwise, a nice pre-dinner show for you with some great piping from Caoimhín. How things going over there? A little calmer than it is here, I'm sure. And weather treating you guys okay?
Yeah. Restrictions are kind of tight, but
yeah.
We're doing well. We're coming out.
Well, better tight restrictions than no restrictions is what we're finding out quick. I hope everybody you know over there is safe and healthy and happy and staying home and staying masked and washing their hands. Same with all of you guys out there. Follow the rules. So if you want, would you play a little, give us a little sample of what we're going to hear next week, Caoimhín?
Sure. I'll play a uilleann reel, maybe. Any picking pockets, maybe.
Excellent. Can't beat it.
Right.
Excellent. Thank you so much. Lovely tune. Played very well. Is that, what are you playing there? It looks like a Fremont set, maybe?
That's right, yeah.
Is it? Excellent. I'd like to get me one of those.
Yeah.
Sounds great. All right, well, everybody, please tune back in. That's Wednesday, November 4th, next Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. That's 11 p.m. Irish Time. Mr. Caoimhín O'Farrell, all the way from County Wexford in Ireland, is going to entertain us and calm us down because we're not going to know what's going on here yet by then, and we're going to need a little calming down. So I'm hoping everybody will join us for a night of peaceful celebration of Irish music with some great piping and flute playing. Thanks, Caoimhín, and we'll see you next week.
Looking forward to it.